In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to Google Calendar. If you already have a Google page open, like Google Search or Gmail, you are in a great position to access Google Calendar quickly. You will notice that being logged in means you can access various Google services seamlessly without needing to log in again. This is a huge time saver. It also ensures your account remains secure, as you are already authenticated. Make sure you are signed into your Google account before proceeding with the next steps. Look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find several important icons. These icons represent various features and tools available to you in your Google account. The top right corner is your gateway to all the Google apps. You will see your profile picture or initials, along with other icons related to notifications and settings. This is where you will be focusing your attention for the next step. Familiarizing yourself with this area can enhance your navigation skills in Google services. Click the Google Apps icon, which is the 9-dot grid next to your profile picture. When you click on this icon, a menu will pop up, displaying a grid of all the Google applications available to you. This includes Gmail, Drive, Docs, and of course, Calendar. The 9-dot grid is a versatile feature that allows you to switch between applications effortlessly. It's designed to streamline your experience, making it easier to access the tools you need quickly. Remember, this feature is available across various Google services, making your workflow smoother. Click the blue and white calendar icon. This action will take you directly to Google Calendar, where you can view your events, create new ones, and manage your schedule. The blue and white design of the calendar icon makes it easily recognizable among the other applications. Once you click on it, you will be greeted by your calendar interface, which is user-friendly and visually appealing. This step is significant because having a well-organized calendar can greatly enhance your productivity and help you manage your time effectively. Now that you have navigated to Google Calendar, take a moment to explore the layout. You will see various options to view your calendar by day, week, or month. Each view offers a different perspective, allowing you to choose what works best for you. You can also see the sidebar that contains options for creating events, reminders, and different calendars. Familiarizing yourself with this layout will make managing your schedule much easier. The more comfortable you are with the interface, the more efficient you will be at using it in the future. In summary, accessing Google Calendar is a straightforward process when you know the steps. From being signed into your Google account to clicking on the Google Apps icon and finally selecting the calendar icon, each step is designed to streamline your navigation. Remember, taking the time to learn these small steps can save you a lot of time later. Now you can start organizing your time effectively with Google Calendar and enjoy the benefits of a well-managed schedule. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to go to Google Calendar. I hope you find it helpful for your planning needs.